YouTube. Today it's an important day, and we have today the starting tutorial of Audacity. Okay, so this is the great, as you can see, the great free software available on the internet, and you can use them um, for the work of, especially it works on audio editing, as you can see in this screen. This is the total interface of the Audacity software available right now, the free online. You can download. I will give you the great link in the description. You can download there the free software available on the internet. Okay, let's we talk about the all boxes available here on the Audacity software. You can check and get the benefit and get the advantages of that file. First of all, you have to if you're going to open a new software with a new project, you will go into the new, open at the same thing. Recent files you will get if you will work on the different projects. These will be your previous project. If you close, this is a close the save project, you will save the project of where you will work on it. Export files will include in MP3, WAV, OGG, audio, selected audio. Okay, this is the multiple advantages of the multiple features here. You can export the whole part of audio or even the selected audio file, or even you have the multiple files or multiple um, audio files. And at the same time you can also import your audio and MIDI files here. Second thing is the audio. You will, for example, I'm going to open one audio. So for example, we have this piece of audio I have edited right now in front of you, and the thing important here, this is the cursor, this is the navigation I am using on my touch pad, and as you can check it, your fingers working on touchpad and it will give you the navigation. So this touch keyboard, and they will allow you the all navigation on all touch screen features. So for example, I will double tap on the touchpad, it will select all the whole part of the audio, and it will turns wide. If you turn the back, you will have to tap, double tap. Okay, single tap, you will unselect the whole audio. If you have to select the whole audio, you have to double tap. For example, here I want this part to be deleted. What I will do, I will double tap from the point of selection, and then I will hold and left my finger, it will auto select this part because it has turned into the wide. Then into these features, trim audio, and then silence audio selection. If you want to delete this part, you will simply tap the button of the delete button on the keyboard, and then it will be deleted. Control Z, it will be restored. And then if you want to if you want to silence this part, I will go into this feature, then it will be silenced. Okay, Control Z, I will restore this part for you, and I will introduce you this feature. This feature will introduce you this feature will give you the trim feature. Trim feature is the meaning of this feature is what you have been selected will be remaining and the rest of the part will be deleted. For example, I will be using this feature. As you can see, the rest of the file will be deleted, and the selected part is remaining here. This is so important features Audacity is giving you free here. One is silence the part, and other is trimming the audio. So these all about is the simple features of the Audacity you will use the at the same time. If I'm going to zoom or zoom out or zoom in, the feature will be used here. Zoom in, this is the button of plus. Zoom in. Okay, you can select the part on the micro level and you will zoom further. You will get the glitches of the audio if you want to delete them, or if you want to the lower the volume of these glitches. If you have the bad impact in the audio, you will go into the volume and compression, you will go into the amplify, and then if you have the this part is will be the you will uncomfortable with this part of the audio, you will go into the amplification. This is the short. um, as you can see, this is um, the great feature I have worked on. So you will do into the lower the decrease the volume and apply. As you can see, this part is will be decreased by volume. You will go into the zoom out, and as you can see, this part will be decreased by its volume. This is also a great feature if you are working on a podcast setup. If you want to record the different level of the audios and you will have the glitches in the audio, you will go into the um, volume and amplify option. You will go into the decrease by volume option, and it will delete that part and will be unaffected by the whole part of the audio. So in the next video we'll be exploring the new features, more feature about the Audacity. Audacity is a great software which is available free online, and you can use making your career in the audio production and the music production will be more effective by this software. You will have a lot of features available. Thank you very much, and please, if you are new to my YouTube channel, subscribe and like the hit button. Thank you very much.